Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I want to real quick give you an idea of what you should be doing to your lawn right now. Um, you should have already had at least two feedings done on your lawn already, two fertilization applications. You won't need another one till later in the summer or early fall for that fall application. But what we highly recommend that you do right now is a pest control application, a preemptive pest control application, using a bifenthrin product. And what we're after with this is chinch bugs. We want to prevent chinch bugs from becoming a problem in your lawn. Chinch bugs are a problem every year. We're not seeing damage just yet. It doesn't come till a little bit later in the summer, in the heat of the summer, when it starts to dry out a little bit. But they are coming, and they're always a problem every single year in this area. So we're trying to attack those, keep those from becoming an issue. If you put your application out between now and the end of July, that'll give you coverage throughout the month of August, whenever they're most active, and you won't have to deal with them. So really good idea to get that done. Don't confuse this with the grub worm application that I've talked about here over the last couple of weeks. Two separate applications altogether. Grubs are their own thing. You have to treat them specifically, but with chinch bugs you can use a bifenthrin application. Now with that application, you're going to get other benefits as well. Bifenthrin takes care of chiggers, ants, and fleas and ticks, all different types of insects. So it's not just chinch bugs that it'll be targeting, but that's really what we're after. We want to prevent those chinch bugs from really doing the damage that they do every year. So that's what you need to be doing from now until about the end of July is that bifenthrin application. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Thanks.